Hey guys, on today's video, we're going to be updating your iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch to the latest iOS. So let's get started. So we're going to go right into your settings. Inside your settings, you're going to see the first option where it's going to say your name or your device's name. From there, make that backup using iCloud. If you guys have no more iCloud space, don't worry about it. Just go right into your computer. So hook up your iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch to your computer and make a backup there. It's very important to make backups just in case something goes wrong. You can always go on and load everything back in. Does that mean for sure you need a backup? No, you can just go on and take a risk. So we're gonna scroll down, we're gonna go into general. Under general, we're gonna see the second option where it says software update. And right in here, we're gonna see the latest one. So it might take sometimes longer or shorter for others to load in. However, this update is almost a gig. It's just underneath a gig, but it's almost just there. And it is iOS 15.2. Now, not everybody will see download and install. Some of you may just see install, and that just depends on your settings. So depending on your settings, you could have it to download the update, but not install it. So that's why you might see that. Anyways, right now we're just going to tap on download and install down here below. Once we do that, it might ask you for a passcode if you have one for your phone, and it's just going to start updating. So at first, it's going to download the update. If your iPhone, iPad, or Touch turns off at any point in time during the downloading process, it's no big deal. You guys can just restart it. However, if it does turn off because you run out of battery in the middle of the installation process, then it is a big deal because you might have to restart your iPhone, iPad, or Touch, and that means you're wiping everything clean. And luckily, most of you will make that backup that I told you, and you're gonna get everything back. That's if it turns off for any reason. Now that's also why I recommend having your iPhone, iPad, or Touch hooked up to some electricity just in case. So even if you're at 80% of your battery, 90% of your battery, if your phone is not really new, then the battery might not hold for the entire process. So I would strongly suggest to have it hooked up to some electricity, charging up while you're making any updates. And again, if you're having any problems, just hook up your iPhone, iPod Touch to your computer and run the update through there. On Mac, for example, you would use Finder. On PC, you can use iTunes. Once it has finally downloaded, we can just tap on install now. Once we do that, it's going to verify the update. We're going to see our iPhone, iPad, Touch just turn off. An Apple logo and a loading bar will be coming up. So as mentioned, you would see an Apple logo and a loading bar. And after that, again, we should see this, that we're all up to date. We can just scroll up. And once we log in, we can check out any settings if everything went okay, which everything did go okay. So let's go to settings, general, and then here we're going to see that we're all up to date. And that would be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.